Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. This particular video is a sequel to the last one. I will link it down below if you haven't seen it. Put on for my Creative Year Facebook group. It is creating a color palette for July. Create your own color palette and then make some creations with it. So basically this one is all my leftover paint. You can see piled on the side over there, and I'm just going to go through and cover this page with that paint. I did have quite a bit of that paint left over, so I thought I would just put it on this page. This is actually a notepad, like a thick one, but it's just, like, it's not even paper that you'd normally paint on, more like drawing or sketching. Somebody gave it to me, and I've just been putting leftover paint on it, creating interesting or strange or weird looking pages with it. Like, there's no focal point or anything, and maybe when I fill it up I'll do a flip through, so if you're interested you can see all the different pages that I've created with it. Backgrounds. I think I did one. Like the very first page I drew a face on it, but everything else is just backgrounds, like this one will be. But I'm just covering it using all the paints that I have left over, and then you'll see me, yeah, I wanted some more pink, so I actually put more paint out. I know, this was to clean up, but I've been seeing, and I can't think of her name at the moment. She does like these abstract florals. This is not how she does it. I need to follow one of her tutorials and like do it along with her. But they're just like abstract sort of blobs that she paints, and she creates these great paintings with it. So I just wanted to do some sort of abstract blobs to make it look like flowers, I guess. I don't think it really does. And yes, I'm pulling out more paint because I felt like it needed more white. It had too much mushy browny yellow colors, so I wanted to brighten it back up, and then yeah, I'll pull out more paint and darken it back down again. I know, kind of get carried away when you have something specific in mind. It just sort of happens, right? And you'll see here that I have a little bit of that white left over. I do the drop paper that's behind this, I do paint some flowers on it, and that's not recorded in video anywhere, but I do have another video after this where I will do something with that drop paper and my color palette for the month, and I'll have that video. I'm gonna do a little mini playlist, like it's gonna be just the 3 videos, so I'll have that linked. I think I'm just gonna have them come out 1, 2, 3. They're really quick, not too long and complicated, so that's what I figured I would do. I hope you're liking this, and I hope you're checking out that Facebook group and coming up with your own color palette and sharing it with everybody in the group. I think it's a really fun idea. I've never really said this is my color story or anything like this, but I have noticed I really like these colors. Blues and purples, pinks, so I don't know. Doesn't everybody like those colors? You can thumb me down if you don't like them. But if you like what you're seeing, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.